Hey everybody, it's Sam from Leaders RPM in Kalamazoo, Michigan here on the showroom floor aboard one of our new Yamaha boats we have on display. This specific boat is a 2026 Yamaha AR250. This boat is in the Dolphin Gray colorway, a new colorway for this model this year. Let me show you a couple things on this boat and just what makes it a Yamaha. At the front of it, going to have an anchor locker here. You also do have a boarding ladder in the front, so you can board. You got boarding ladders at the rear and front of the boat, which is super handy for getting back on after swimming or hanging out at the sandbar. The anchor locker comes unloaded. It doesn't include an anchor in here, but Yamaha's got a great anchor kit offered right out of their parts and accessories book that will fit this locker, come with your rope and anchor chain, everything you need in one box to go and anchor up wherever you want to be with the boat. Closing this up here, looking in the bow, going to have a pair of speakers up here. In the bow of the boat does come with bow filler cushions, so you can fill this in here and make it a big sun pad for laying out, kind of make it more of a playpen style in the front of the boat as an option that is offered in this boat and comes with those bow filler cushions to do that. As I come back here a little bit, in the floor, going to have a big storage locker, really handy for throwing longer items, like if you had some water skis, pool noodles, stuff of that nature, like a set of sandbar anchors, the long PVC sandbar anchors. You have a big storage locker right in the middle of the floor here that's great for storing those items. Over here you are going to have a head compartment on the boat, a lit head compartment I would add. It doesn't actually have a little porta potty in there or a toilet. They don't come with one in there, but you can certainly add a little portable, like an RV camper style in there, if you did want to have a potty in there for the occasional time that you might need it while you're out on the water. I'm going to have storage over here, plenty of cup holders in this boat, but a little glove box storage area here. You do have some storage under the helm here as well, and there's a little trash can in there that you open that door and you have a trash can in there. Coming to the cockpit here where the captain's sitting, I'm going to have a wireless clamping phone holder, so that's going to hold you right here, and that is wireless charger. So phone holder and charger with the clamping on it. I'm going to have a 7-inch Connects touchscreen display here. So you're going to have Yamaha's Connect system on this boat with a 7-inch display. And you're also going to have a joystick over on the side for controlling that if you don't want to touch the screen because you have wet hands or sunscreen on your hands, whatever it be. This boat is twin engine boat, so you have both your ignition keys here. I'll talk about those twin engines here a little bit later in the video. But looking in the cockpit of the boat, got speakers inside it. I'm going to have 12-person capacity on this boat, so you have plenty of room to get out with your crew and entertain out on the water. You are going to have the fixed wake tower on here. It does fold down for storage or getting under a bridge, but you're going to have a hard wake tower up here with a pull point for pulling wakeboarders or surfers if you're going to equip the boat with some ballast and use the wake shaping devices that they offer. Also going to have a bimini on here as well. All right, so moving from the cockpit towards the back of the boat, going to have some more speakers like we talked about, 2 in the bow. You're going to have a pair of speakers here in the cockpit. Then you're going to have another pair on the rear deck. So in total, 6 speakers in the boat. You are going to have underneath this hatch, the engines, what's moving this boat. You're going to have twin Yamaha 1.9 liter high outputs. So what does that mean? It means 200 horsepower per motor, 400 horsepower combined to get up and boogie this boat on the water. Coming back here to the rear deck area, going to have a really nice spot to hang out. That's something that you get with these jet boats that you don't at traditional outboard or most of the IOs, is to have a big, ample rear deck space like this. 2 tiers, 2 levels. In here you are going to have a little bit of storage in the seat backs. That's great wet storage, so if you have wet tow ropes, some life jackets, stuff like that, you can throw it in there. Right here where I'm kneeling, this is going to be the clean out ports for the boat, so you can get in there from the top. If you got something sucked in there, seaweed, something like that, you can get down and clean out in the ports right here. You are going to have stereo controls back here as well. So if you're hanging out back here, you want to turn down the music, fast forward a song, pause it. You don't have to run through the boat to do that. You can do it from back here. I'm going to have a couple grab handles as well for getting back on. A boarding ladder that pulls out back here. And lastly, you have that dinette table mount. I talked about you have a dinette table and a mount arm in the boat. You can either mount it there in the cockpit behind the driver's seat, or you have a mount spot back here. So you can set that table kind of right back here in a super convenient spot if you're back here hanging out, having lunch, dinner, or just a couple drinks, and you want to have a little table set up there. I think as I look around here, that really sums it up for me on this boat. Thank you very much for watching. Again, this is Sam from Leaders in Kalamazoo. Doing a walkthrough video for you on our 2026 Yamaha AR250 that we have here in the showroom. If you have any questions on this boat or anything that we have in inventory, please give us a shout. Phone number 269-372-1072. Or you can text us on the website. That's a great way to get a hold of us, leadersrpm.com.